guys, welcome to Amiyah's channel. Today we are opening these burrito babies.
The Cutetitos Babitos.
This looks like the back of the packaging looks like.
This is what the back of the packaging looks like.
Do you think I'm gonna get a boy or girl, guys? Okay. What is it? It's a boy or girl? Is it a boy? A girl.
It's a girl.
And the diaper is pink.
The diaper is
Look
pink.
at here and tiny. She is, and she has a diaper.
Let's see her. Turn her sideways. Oh, that's so cute. Her diaper matches your nails.
We got a sleepito.
Sleepito. Look at how cute she is.
Yeah, she's
Super spicy. Sheepito.
all the different candies you can get, guys.
These are all the different babitos you can collect. There are 12 different ones to collect.
Ready to open the last one?
Yes, let's see what's inside.
Okay, you guys can see what's inside. I'm gonna see what's inside first. First, I'm gonna it's a boy!
How do you know it's a boy? You haven't even seen the diaper yet. You gotta open it up and see what diaper they have on.
It's having a pink diaper.
You got two girls.
It's too good.
Oh, they're so cute.
And it's pink like my nails.
Yeah. You got a little baby giraffe.
Yeah, it's a baby giraffe.
The next one we got is Tolito, and she's hot.
Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, and if you guys want these little cute burritos, you can find them at Toys R Us.
So you can find them at Toys R Us.
You can find them at Toys R Us. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe.